Sesame seeds are one of the tastiest and most useful grains. If you enjoy sprinkling sesame seeds on your dishes, you'll be happy to know that this does a great favor for your health. Sesame seeds have superb nutritional benefits. A small teaspoon of white sesame is enough to provide the body with many health benefits. Preferably taken in the morning when the body can absorb it and burn it very well. Sesame is rich in important nutrients and naturally plays the role of a large group of supplements. In this video, we will show you a list of the most important supplements that eating sesame will leave no place or need for any of them. We will mention them and review their benefits from top to bottom, so please bear with us after the break to see the benefits of eating a tablespoon of sesame seeds on an empty stomach every day. Copper. Only 36 grams of sesame seeds contain 136% of your total daily copper needs. Copper has a major role in treating arthritis and reducing pain and the swelling associated with it. Copper also activates antioxidant enzymes and is very important for the flexibility of blood vessels and bones and joint strength. Manganese. 36 grams of sesame seeds also contain 39% of your daily manganese mineral needs. It plays a major role as an antioxidant and is very essential for bone health, and it helps the body control the blood sugar level. Calcium. 36 grams of sesame seeds also contain 35% of your daily calcium needs. Calcium prevents bone loss and osteoporosis, protects the colon from tumors, and helps prevent migraines and reduces menstrual symptoms for women. Phosphorus. 36 grams of sesame seeds contain 32% of your daily phosphorus mineral needs. Phosphorus mineral increases bone hardness and contributes to physical functions including nervous system, kidney function, muscle contraction, and very importantly, acts as a pacemaker. Magnesium. 36 grams of sesame seeds contain 30% of your daily magnesium intake. Magnesium is an important catalyst for 300 biochemical reactions in your body. It works to prevent spasms of blood vessels, lowers high blood pressure, relaxes muscles, prevents migraines, and helps restore normal sleep patterns. Iron. 36 grams of sesame seeds also contain 29% of your daily iron requirements. Iron treats anemia and promotes hemoglobin, which transports oxygen to all cells in the body. Zinc. 36 grams of sesame seeds contain 29% of your daily zinc needs. Zinc increases bone density, enhances immunity in the body, helps heal wounds, and increases fertility. Molybdenum. The same 36 grams of sesame seeds contain 24% of your daily needs of molybdenum. Molybdenum is introduced as an adjunct to some important enzymatic reactions in the body. Selenium. 36 grams of sesame seeds contain 23% of your daily selenium needs. Selenium is a powerful antioxidant that protects you against tumors and heart disease, and it is important for optimal functioning of the thyroid gland. Vitamin B1. 36 grams of sesame seeds contain 23% of your daily vitamin B1 needs. The deficiency of this vitamin causes lack of appetite, fatigue, increased sensitivity, and tingling in the hands and feet. Sesame seeds also contain phytosterols, a naturally occurring chemical compound that helps to prevent the absorption of cholesterol from food, and therefore helps to control cholesterol levels in the blood. Based on all this, the benefits of sesame seeds can be summed up as follows. 1. Reducing high blood pressure. 2. Promoting bone health and prevents fragility. 3. Reducing inflammation of the joints. 4. Helping to control blood sugar level. 5. Providing antioxidants that enhance immunity. 6. Supporting healthy glands and hormone balance in the body. 7. Reducing cholesterol and triglycerides levels in the blood. 8. Activates the brain and helps focus and concentration.